How's it? It's a lekker morning today. Tuesday. Yesterday was a public holiday. So yeah, that's all I got this morning and all. Dad, why don't do you want to do an intro for this one? Do you want to say how's it? Welcome to the channel.
How's it, everybody? Welcome to the new week. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
Lekker.
Lekker. My wife gave me a chat this morning. She says, no letters this video, please. Anyway, so the plan for today, all of these stuff, we're going to move over there. Because today, the floors are coming. So that's the plan. We're going to tidy up and get things clean. And then I'll just show you before the floors come how everything's looking. The painters have been through, so they've made everything nice and painted. So the insides are nice and painted. Probably, we'll do all of this before the floors come. And this is the room that you guys haven't seen yet. We're just prepping all the rooms and getting that all ready. Right, so I just managed to catch the guys there. Yes, they were motoring fast. I think when there's lots of them they can go quick. So pretty much what they do is they mix the self-leveling. What we do is we roll the bonding liquid onto the floor. What they do is they mix the bonding liquid with water and then mix the self-leveling into the water. So I think that's something to learn about that. That's what we learned. Yeah, then they use a silicone to block off where they don't want the self-leveling to go, and they just use a trowel, and then I don't know if you saw, when there's bubbles in the self-leveling, once you've poured it, there's a spiked roller that you roll over, and that pops all the bubbles. Yeah, anyway, so those guys are done. They're going to be coming back tomorrow to now lay the vinyl, so that's going to be cool. So that's pretty much most of the day. What's happening? Okay, check out the waves. Cool there. Right, good morning. How's it? Another day, another work day. I was measuring all of the skirting lengths, so I'm going to go fetch and buy skirtings today. We are also going to go buy the shower doors. Oh, and on site you saw the self-leveling screed is put down. The self-leveling screed is in and it's all dry. So that's all good, and so going to be driving around Cape Town getting stuff. That's the plan. Cool, we'll check you whenever. Hope you guys like that little drive videos. Just sort of do that. I think one of you guys, I can't remember who it was, commented, show us more of Cape Town. So that was a bit of a drive all the way from Azefontein to Cape Town. It took me about an hour-ish, an hour and 15 minutes, around there. Alright, so we got the skirting, it's on the roof. There we go. So you go into that building there, you sort your payment out and tell them what you want. Anyway, now it's time to go get a shower door. Alright, so the area that I'm in is Woodstock. See what the area looks like. Go external. And then we got Table Mountain to our left. That way. Here, it wasn't left the mountains behind us. Anyways. Alright, we're at CTM. Let's get the shower doors. We'll see now. Alright, so we just got the shower door. It's in the back. You can't see it from here. Hopefully, it doesn't crack. That's always the thing. You drive careful, just hope it doesn't crack. Hope it doesn't crack. Cool, so we're at the renovation site now. Got here just as the guys finished, so they're gone now. So the vinyl floor is on. It's all finished. Yeah, there, these oaks go quick. And then this room over here. So, yeah. Shower door. Cool, and then we got the skirting over here. Cool, so vinyl flooring is done. 2 days. I think for my dad and myself, probably taken 3 days. I think so. We saved a day with them. Plus we've got like their warranty because they laid it for us. So if something goes wrong, they're the ones to blame, not us. Anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna head for lunch. Gonna lock up quick, head for lunch. Skirtings, and I'll show you what we did last week. I know I didn't film last week because it was a busy week. We built this tuck shop. We've never done something like this. We built it out of cold room panels. It would have really been a cool video for the channel, but we were up working until 7:30, 7 o'clock every night. Yeah, I just rather not film and put your head down and work, okay? It's always good to work. Alright, so we're at the school. So let me show you the thing that we built last week. So it's made of refrigerator panels, and then we've got electricity to it. We connect it up, sliding doors, windows, we got water connected to it. So yeah, everything is done nice and neat. So it's quite a lekker space. We've got light. Here's the light switch. We've got plugs. We've got another plug over there, and then we've got a waste connection as well as an angle valve. So if they want to put like a little sink basin area here, you can do that. We've got the flooring in. This is laminate flooring, and then we've got aluminium angle that we've used as a skirting, and we were just short this strip over here and then one piece here. So yeah, that's pretty much how it is. This is what we spent last week doing. It took us 4 days to put this up. So yeah, I'll just show you how to put in the last little bit of laminate flooring. Let me show you how it's done. So with laminate flooring, you first put down, like, I don't know what this is called. I used to know what it's called, but we haven't done it in a long time. It's almost like a foam mixed with like plastic underneath. So let me just try my best to show you guys how it's done here. Alright, so you see over here, we've got a brand new full piece of flooring. So what I do is, so this is the way that the board needs to go down. But if we just stick it here or measure the length from there to there and then measure it from this side, we're going to cut off that groove part where the tongue connects in or whatever. So what you do is you flip it around, so it's this way. You line up over here with the previous one, and what you do is you grab a square, measure from where this laminate starts over here. So if you turn it over, this side will be that side, and you'll have your tongue and groove in the right spot. So that's the concept. Let me cut it and show you if it fits. Let's go see if it fits. Alright, so over here, I'm taking out the previous row, and then over here, so I'm going to connect it and line it up here with the previous row. Alright, so once we've connected that whole row now, we connect the whole row onto the existing floor. So we've clipped it back in now, and we've got our end piece in that we just cut. So I hope that's clear enough. Very straightforward. Maybe not. Maybe I'm terrible at explaining. So now I'm just going to do this last row. It's going to be a bit more of a finicky row because we're going to have to cut it because a full width doesn't fit in this gap. So we're going to have to cut them long ways as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'll do a time lapse for you guys and yeah, okay. Just walk on the end there. Alright, the laminate flooring is done. Now what I'm going to be doing is putting the aluminium angle around the sides for skirting. This riveter here is incredibly sketch. When it then bites, it goes. Check on my hand there. Got a lekker pinch from it the other day. Anyway, it's just straightforward. You'll see when I'm done now. You get the point. You get the point, Alex. Alright. So, it is finished. Okay, let's give you guys one more look before we go. And if you're wondering, no, this is not something we do. This was almost a favor gone wrong. Cool, lekker. We're gonna head back to Aza's. And I think that might be the day. We'll see. Lekker. Alright, we are finished. Yeah, sometimes we have these type of videos, and that's fine. Hopefully we can make it entertaining. Luckily we had a filmer on site where we weren't filming some areas. He was filming. So we got some lekker content from Josh. And yeah, thanks Josh for the footage. We'll check you guys next week. If you enjoyed the video, maybe pop a subscribe and like and comment. I'm not saying you must, but we do love the comments. We might not get to everyone, but I try my best to get to everyone. If you guys got questions or anything, even if you just say lekker. There's this one oak in the comments. I forget his name. Every video he goes lekker. And even just that comment is lekker. Cool. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll check you next week. Bye.
Yeah, so we're progressing quite nicely here at the moment. We've almost got the flooring done. If you take a look here, it's looking quite good. Dad, do you have any top tips for the...
Top tip for today.
Top tip for today?
Yeah, let's play in the sunshine.
Play in the sunshine, there you have it. So, yeah. I'll show you guys now. I just need to head off to Cape Town to go get some stuff.
Alright.
I hope I don't miss the rest of the build. Yeah.
Lekker.
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 Yeah, you could have at least 3 lekkers.
Lekker.